My colleagues have
Yeah, fine.
arrived in the meantime. We confirm appearances on behalf of the state. My colleague, Jonas, is asking for indulgence. He forgot his.
I'm just saying, that's why I'm not wearing it.
Forgot what? The tie?
Yes.
No.
As it please the
No
court, my
problem.
lord, may I confirm my appearance
Okay.
on behalf of Mr. Sibia and Mr. Mube. In addition thereto, my lord, may we also apologize for the inconvenience. It was just a slight technical glitch that we were busy trying to grapple with. Thank you, my lord.
Okay, fine. Yes, let's commence. You're still under oath, sir?
Usengaphansi kwesifungo na.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sibia. Thank you, Mr. Sweet. There's a person that was mentioned in cross-examination by the name of Simpiwe Buthelezi. Do you know this person?
Kunomuntu ke okukhulunywe ngaye lana nkathi ke uhlonywa imibuzo umbuso uSimphiwe Buthelezi. Uyamazi?
Akumazi.
I don't know.
Thank you. I think with Simpiwe Buthelezi, it ends just there. Now, Brigadier Kininda, in cross-examination, just a second, this flu is coming. Now, it was put to you in cross-examination that the day on which Brigadier Kininda started to interact with you, that will be the 30th of May at Foslo-Res. When he spoke to you, he also made certain notes in his diary.
Inkulumo ke esiwe kuwena ke noma eshiwe kuwena ukuthi ke ngelanga ayekhulumisana nawe ngalo eFosloras nge-30 zika May 2020 uBrigadier Kininda kukhona awayekubhala phansi noma ke lokho phecelezi kuthiwa ama notes.
Ba umshushisi usho kanjalo kodwa
Yes.
mina uGininda akaze eze kube khona into ayibhala phansi mayikhuluma nami ngaleli langa.
That is what the state said, but there was nothing that Kininda wrote down on that day when he was speaking to me.
Thank you. Let us follow what the state said without validating anything. A copy of an extract of his diary was also handed in to court as an exhibit here.
Futhi ke lana incwadi le ayibhala kuyona ayibiza ngokuthi ke i-diary ke incwadi ekanjena kwenziwe ke i-copy yalawo maphepha lawo noma izinto lezo athi wazibhala kuyona. Wonke umuntu ke abashushisi nabameli nenkantolo banikezwa ke i-copy yalokho nanjengobufakazi.
There are things that are left in the office. My Lord, I'm realizing that there are documents of mine that I thought I've taken along, but I realize that they are not with me. I'm going to request a very short adjournment, so I quickly go fetch them. It will just be a 10-minute adjournment. Thank you, my Lord.
Cala ke kuhamba amaphepha ukuthi abaphethe kuyobaba. Cala nje isikhathi ukuthi ayowalanda.
Yeah, 10 minutes there.